Inside China's largest pork processing facilities, a single plant processes 50,000 pigs every day. That's nearly 35 pigs per minute. This incredible speed makes these facilities the most efficient meat processing operations ever built. Today we'll take you inside these massive facilities to show you the amazing technologies that make this possible. Chinese pork processing has changed completely over the last 20 years. Old-style butcher shops have been replaced by modern facilities filled with robots and computers. These new facilities can process more pork in one day than older facilities could handle in a month, and they do it more safely and cleanly than ever before. The changes started when Chinese engineers realized they needed to feed more people while using less space and fewer workers. They looked at car factories and computer chip makers for ideas about how to make meat processing more efficient. When trucks arrive at the facility, they go through special cleaning stations that wash and sanitize every part of the vehicle. These stations use special sensors to make sure no dirt or harmful bacteria can enter the facility. Each pig has a small electronic tag, like a tiny computer chip, that tells the facility where the pig came from and its complete health history. These tags are more advanced than regular tracking chips. They can measure temperature and movement, helping workers know if any animals need special attention. The computers that track these tags are amazing. They can follow each piece of meat from the moment it enters the facility until it reaches the store. If someone wants to know where their pork came from, these computers can show the whole journey in seconds. This tracking system also helps keep everyone safe by quickly finding and removing any meat that might have problems. The first part of processing happens in special areas where computers control everything about the environment. These rooms are like giant refrigerators with perfect temperature and humidity levels. The air in these rooms goes through special filters that remove 99.9% of all bacteria and dust. These filters are so good, they're like the ones used in hospital operating rooms. The facility has special walkways that move the animals calmly through the building. These walkways have soft lighting and smooth surfaces that keep the animals relaxed. Veterinarians use advanced cameras that can see inside the animals, kind of like airport security scanners, but for checking animal health. These cameras can spot potential health issues without ever touching the animals. This is where the most interesting technology comes into play. The main processing area looks like something from a science fiction movie. Robots guided by computers and cameras handle most of the work. These robots are different from what you might imagine. They're specially designed just for meat processing and can work more precisely than human hands. The whole area is divided into zones, each with its own specific temperature and humidity levels. Workers wear special suits that keep them warm in the cold zones and help keep everything clean. The suits have small computers built into them that track where each worker goes and make sure they're following all the safety rules. The cutting area uses robots that look like giant arms with different tools attached to them. These robots first take a 3D picture of each piece of meat, kind of like a doctor taking an X-ray. But these pictures show much more than regular X-rays. They can see exactly where the bones, fat, and muscles are inside each piece of meat. The computers use these pictures to figure out exactly where to cut to get the most meat from each pig. The robots can change their cutting pattern in less than a second if they detect something different about the meat they're working with. They use special cutting tools that can work in different ways. Some use regular knives that move very fast, while others use high-pressure water that can cut through meat like a knife through butter. These water cutters use water pressure so high it could cut through steel, but they're controlled so precisely they can trim fat without damaging the meat underneath. Each robot has a collection of different tools it can use. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, but for cutting meat. The robots can switch between these tools in seconds, picking the perfect one for each cut. They even sharpen their own knives automatically when they need to, using special sharpening stones built right into their arms. Above every cutting station, special cameras watch everything that happens. These cameras don't just take regular pictures, they use special technology that can see inside the meat. They can check the temperature, fat content, and even spot tiny pieces of bone that need to be removed. The cameras take hundreds of pictures every second, making sure every cut is perfect. If the cameras spot something that's not quite right, they can signal the robots to adjust their cutting pattern immediately. They also keep track of how much meat comes from each pig, helping the facility reduce waste and get the most value from each animal. The cameras are so sensitive, they can even detect if a piece of meat is slightly tougher or more tender than usual. Keeping everything clean is super important in meat processing. The facility has cleaning systems that work continuously throughout the day. Special robots spray sanitizing mist into the air, while others clean the floors and walls. UV lights kill bacteria that regular cleaning might miss. The facility even has special air pressure systems that prevent dirty air from moving between different areas. The robots clean their cutting tools after every single cut using high-temperature steam and special sanitizing solutions. At the end of each day, the entire facility goes through a deep cleaning process that takes several hours. During this time, cleaning robots and human workers use special foaming cleaners that can reach every corner and crack. The facility has different temperature zones for different stages of processing. Some areas are kept just above freezing, while others are slightly warmer for specific types of cuts. Special sensors throughout the building monitor temperatures constantly, and computers adjust the cooling systems automatically to keep everything perfect. The storage areas use smart shelving systems that know exactly what's stored, where and how long it's been there. These shelves can even move themselves to make sure older products are used first. The refrigeration systems are so advanced, they can cool down hot areas in minutes, helping save energy while keeping the meat at safe temperatures. The packaging area of the facility is where some of the most impressive technology can be found. Here, robots pack different cuts of meat into special containers that can keep meat fresh for weeks. These containers have tiny sensors that can tell if the temperature ever gets too warm or if the package is damaged. Each package gets a special label with a computer chip inside it. These labels can tell stores exactly where the meat came from, when it was processed, and even how long it has until it needs to be sold. The labels can also help stores manage their inventory better by automatically alerting them when they need to order more meat. Special machines test each package to make sure no air can get in and spoil the meat. They use sound waves to check for tiny holes that human eyes can't see. Other machines use X-rays to make sure there aren't any unwanted materials in the packages. The whole process happens so fast that a single packaging line can handle thousands of packages every hour. The facility has a special training center where new workers learn how to operate all the equipment. This center has exact copies of the real machines, but they're set up for training so mistakes don't waste any real meat. Workers practice using virtual reality headsets that make them feel like they're really working in the facility. The training system uses computer games to teach workers how to spot problems and fix them quickly. These games get harder as workers get better at their jobs, helping them learn more advanced skills. The facility even has a special program where experienced workers teach new ones, sharing tricks they've learned over years of work. While these processing methods are already incredible, Chinese engineers are testing an entirely new system in a secret facility outside Shanghai. Early reports suggest this system could process twice as many pigs while using fewer workers. What makes this new system so special? That's a story for another day.